1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hi children of God, welcome back. I'm glad you found your way. So I am going to be deep cleaning my room. I started, but I was just more of like straightening up. But I wasn't like, oh, deep cleaning. But I thought about it and I'm like, you know what? It's been a little minute since I kind of deep cleaned. So it is currently 4:21. And yeah, so I'm going to start. So I need this to be washed and dried before night falls. I need to wash this stuff too. So I'm probably gonna do that. I'm probably gonna have I probably can fit some of my pillows and stuff like that and my teddy bears in with my sheet and my blanket and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this doesn't come off. I tried, so I kind of just spray this down with some Lysol. So I'm gonna wash this rug also because I just feel like it'll make my life way easier than trying to vacuum it. Because I've done it a couple times, but I don't feel like the vacuuming really does much. So I just put it in the washer. Let's see what the washer do. So I took my bed out. As y'all can tell, this is my I forgot what this called, my frame. See, I ain't got too much. So yeah, I'm gonna get this out. Let's do it. Okay. So this was like most of the stuff that was sitting on the floor. And I still got this to do. Alright, y'all ready? I'm gonna do this. Clean it off just one more time when it sit up there, when it get up there. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and make this look cute and appealing. So listen to it. Okay, so this is what I did so far. So this is it. For this stuff, it's not open, so I'm probably just gonna slide it in the back. This is gonna stay in the front because that's what I bathed with. This look a little messy, but I use this too. I just opened this one, that's why it looks so nice here. But I just finished vacuum. Dang, I keep forgetting what this thing called. Cleaning my floor. But so I did all of these. I did under there. I was gonna move this, but then I was like, yeah, no. So I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm going to move this over there, and then vacuum. And I'm gonna bring my stuff in, like my bed and stuff. I'm just so tired of lifting stuff. I just put my bed in, and I just gotta put my mattress in and then make up my bed. So the next time you guys see me, I will have took a bath and my bed will be made up. Okay, y'all, so I know I told y'all that after I take the shower, I was gonna come right back. Yeah, no. So it is another day because I was tired, but I did finish. I made some changes. So this is my bed, which was originally this way. I might put it back. I just kind of moved it because I got rid of my table. Yeah, I remember that table that was right there. I got rid of it because it was just too much in the small area. So I'm trying to make do with what I have, and I was like, the table gotta go. I'm looking to maybe invest in like a foldable table. That way I can, if I'm not using a table, because not all the time I use it, so it'll just be sitting right here taking up too much space. So I got rid of that. Yeah, and this is my teddy bear. I tried to make him look nice right there. That's as much as I got. I'm not gonna hold you. But this is my room. I'm gonna give y'all like a view by the door. See if y'all can see it better. It looks so much better. I'm not gonna hold you. It looks cleaner. And then obviously I did a deep clean. And then this is my dresser. I really did try. But I really did try. I'm not gonna hold you. This fell. So it's probably not gonna stay up. Ooh. But anyway, so that stuff is still right there. That is hand sanitizer. And then right here, I got like, y'all can't even see for real, but I tried to make it look a little neat back there. I got my candles. Yeah, it doesn't look as bad as it did before, but I have a lot of stuff that I need. So it was that I need and that I want. Like, I'm not getting rid of this, you know, or these things. So like I had to make room. But this is it. I'm gonna show y'all again. Do a little walkthrough. I'm so excited. I really did that. Y'all see this door? I'm thinking about it. That's a whole nother thing, okay? We ain't gonna talk about that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching the video and coming on this very long journey with me. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so you are notified every time I post a video, and comment down below. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.